workshop series. This is the 4th episode of the season, and for our 4th challenge today, I am bringing back the Grayscale Challenge, where I'll only be working with black, white, and silver, no color whatsoever. And today's theme is to paint my very first windmill. So here's a list of all the supplies I'll be using to create this piece today. Alright, so we know the challenge, we know the supplies I'll be using today, so let's reveal the next challenge twist. Alright, it looks like we got our very first mystery kit of the season, so let's open this up. It looks like I have sequins and a lot of different magazine clippings. So this piece will require some color, so I have to break out of the black and white mold just to incorporate these pieces, and I have to use every single one of them in this piece today. So why don't we hop in and get started. And my windmill is now completed, so let's talk about it. It was originally supposed to be a fully black and white piece that I was going to paint myself, and then I received that mystery kit, and when I do receive those in the future, I have to use every single element inside that kit. So I had images from magazines, I had the sequins, and I tried to use those effectively to tell a story here. If you want to find out more about this art piece, visit my Instagram page, read all about it, or visit mindtripstudio.com. Until next week, have a good week, everyone.